on this MELISA. First MELISA shot today. I've gotten like 5,000 DMs on Instagram telling me how to make donut shots, but I know how to make donut shots. I just prefer it this way.
They're telling you how to make donut shots? And you probably taught the person that taught them.
So I'm trying to spend the day. I showed you what my counters look like, so I have to get all this produce like cleaned and put away. I'm going to record some of it, not all of it, but I'll record most of it. It's Sunday and shake is really good for some reason. I think it's because I was like dying last night, and then this morning I woke up and it was still hurting. But I took some medicine when Walmart got delivered, and now I feel a little bit better. My headache is still there, not as bad. And clean out the fridge. I was just in the Dollar Tree and I saw these. Goalie is amazing. I don't know why they've had it in Dollar Tree lately, but they've had the super greens and I bought them, and now I want to try this word is what got me because I'm extra tired today and I have a lot to do. So I'm going to try one of these, and I'm going to try this Pure Energy Seltzer, zero, all that stuff, and it's cucumber lime. Who doesn't like cucumber lime? So Walmart came, they didn't have everything I needed, so I'm going to Walmart and I'm going to eat one of these and drink this so I have energy dealing with Walmart people. But this is what it looks like. They're little chocolate pieces, they're 25 calories each. Do you like it? Off the inside. Oh my god, like a little piece of chocolate. Okay, I like these. I might have to go back in there and get some more. Increase energy production. Convert food into cellular energy. These are good. Y'all better come up there and get some of these. Not even gonna lie, I'm leaving Walmart now and I'm starving. So I'm going to eat this as my snack in the car while I drive home. 160 calories. Make this 14 grams of protein. This is what I'm about to eat in the car without a spoon. I'm gonna show y'all, don't judge me. Right, my sidekick Cadence is with me. This is my snack. I can't wait till I get home. Oh, how cute! Look, it flaps open like a flapper. That looks disgusting. The strawberries. And then I'm just gonna flip it over like this. Because I don't have a spoon. Just scoop it. And then I'm gonna shake it. And then, ew, this is what it looks like. Asians I don't even have chopsticks anymore because I used them. I usually have chopsticks in my glove department because we're very weird. Well, not weird, we're Asians. This is what it looks like. We did use them to eat ice cream. Okay, this works though. And these things are actually really good. I think I'm gonna buy some more, but not right now because I'm not going back in that crazy place. Order my groceries, but they only brought me like half my ish. They said everything was out of stock, but when I come here, everything is here. Now I'm gonna drive home. This is what I'm gonna do. We literally live like 5 seconds away. I'm being so extra by doing this and not waiting until I get home. I'm hungry. So. That's good. Look. Alright, I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye. I'm prepping 3 of these Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt vanilla bean. 180 calories per serving, which is 3/4 of a cup. 13 grams of protein. That's why we like Greek yogurt, because there's more protein in it. Put a scoop in each container. And my chia seeds, put 1/2 tablespoon in each one. There, oh, each one, and put these inside the fridge onto the next thing. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna prep is some ground turkey so that I can eat it numerous different ways through the week. So I'll show you how I prep it to where I'll be able to eat like the same thing, but differently. And I'm just gonna wash it all and everything off camera so you don't have to sit and watch me do all that. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting everything up. Start with some peppers because nothing is right. You don't have peppers. Oh, thank you, Brooklyn. Oh, you're so sweet. Aww. are all the pepper. We're gonna throw these into the pan. We're gonna saute these. So these onions we're just going to move over into the pan as well. In this kale, it's just a little bit of kale, it's not a lot because I need some for salads. So I'm just gonna trim these off the stem like this. My kale. You can buy the bag where it's already clean, cut off the vine, but it's so much more expensive when you can just do it yourself. And then you're left with this, you can just throw these away. I'm just going to chop them into littler pieces since I'm gonna saute them. This over into the pan as well. I have this, right? Olive oil. Olive oil. Garlic powder, onion powder. It's just about all new ones so I can fill my containers. Black pepper. Someone asked me why I don't cook with salt, but I don't know, I just don't. Smoked paprika.
And it be tasting good without no salt.
Then I have this dash garlic, herb, and seasonings. I'm going to mix it all. Let it saute on the stove. I got it all mixed in. I'm going to put this on the stove and just saute it for a couple of minutes. And then while that's sauteing, since I already have this little kale mess right here, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning and cutting all my. I have all of this. It's only $1 something. This is why you should just buy them like this and then wash them. All right, now that's all the kale. Now I can wash it so it can dry a little bit by the time it is time to prep salads. All right, now I have a bowl. My vegetables are nice and sauteed. Just going to put them in this bowl for now. And with this same pan with everything still in here, I'm gonna add more olive oil. 93% lean turkey with 22 grams of protein per serving. There's 12 servings in here. It's every 4 ounces is 22 grams of protein. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, seasoning. And in my other vlog, I had some people asking me to show the chicken seasoning. It's the salt-free Miss Josh chicken. I just dump it in my little containers because I'm just trying. White pepper. And then we're gonna go cook this on the stove. Be right back. All right, now while the turkey is cooking, prep some more of the stuff for salads this week. I like to have like everything prepped because if you prep your vegetables, it makes it so much easier to actually eat them and not make them go bad in the fridge. This the day that I buy it, or it's just gonna like sit in the fridge because I'm gonna go to something that's faster because obviously I'm always on the go, as you can see from my video. You know what, actually let me do this in a time lapse so it'll go fast. Alright, now I have my ground turkey all nice and cooked, right? Make some room in the middle. Come back to my sauteed veggies. And start mixing it in. My son loves Spidey, so he's yelling about Spidey. Spider-Man. That's his thing. So I'm gonna go and put this back on the stove for a little bit to cook a little bit longer. And now, while that is cooking, I'm going to prep 3 salads. We're going to get some spring mix. Put a handful in each one. And then the onions. I don't know what was up with the onions last week. My husband said the onions were onioning. Get some of the bell peppers. Sprinkle those cranberries. Put those on top. And then some almonds. Sprinkle those in. Now, Spring mix, I just leave it in the container that it comes in. I fold them in here to the bottom like that. Kale, after I prep some salads and make some food, I put it in here because I love kale. So I mean, we always have another salad for dinner or scrambled eggs with some kale or something, you know. Just always incorporate kale. My goal is to eat more protein and more vegetables, so this goes both ways. I'll put these in here. Okay, now this is done off the stove. This is what it looks like. Actually going to eat this a different way every single day. I already know how I'm gonna do it. I'll show you what we're gonna eat today. So these are the end result of this. I'm gonna go ahead and make me and my husband a lunch now so you can see it, and then I'll clean up my big mess. So far, this is what I have prepped. Okay, so I'm craving like a taco bowl type thing. Riced cauliflower. So you just steam it up in the microwave. While that is steaming, make my sauce. Plain Greek yogurt. This, I have some taco seasoning. I'm gonna put the taco seasoning right in there like that. But once you start using Greek yogurt to make different kind of sauces, you'll never go back. Going to be the sauce. Enough for both my husband and I. I'm gonna put the sauce in it, fold it all in. These little tomatoes. And I'm going to dice that up. This is the one that I cleaned the other day, so yes, it's clean. Those are plates. Cauliflower rice. The romaine, add it on top, sprinkle that on top, and that is that. This is my healthy taco plate. Okay, I'm full. Did you like it?
I did. Thank you very much. Look at me.
Look at your beard.
Very good.
We finished eating, so now we have the kids outside for a little bit. Have my tea, my after food tea, and then when I go inside, I have to juice and cook them dinner. Sunday is active rest day, so we're going for a walk instead of the gym. Active rest day. Right, Brookie? Okay, so now it's time to juice. We're back from our walk. So someone was asking me how much I use the beach. Last time I used like 3 of these and it was really strong, so I do not recommend it. I'm just gonna use this much. I don't have like a certain recipe I go by. I just whatever I feel like doing. Not a professional. So I'm gonna put these up and I'm going to juice them in my juicer, and then I'll do the lemons.
Because now I want different things than what I got with your money. It's working. And now my fridge is
That's it. Oh no. Now that's it. It was pooping. Now I'm going to juice these 4 lemons and put them into there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this pineapple and I'll be back soon. This has never happened. Ginger and then squeezed the lemon on top, and for some reason it reacted and turned pink. And I've been drinking lemon ginger water for forever. This has never happened. What in the world is this? Ideas for someone who doesn't really know, but I hope something helped from that, because editing it was not fun. I'm gonna take my shot of MELISA, my night shot. I've been getting a lot of questions about this too, doing it twice a day. I do it in the morning and I do it at night. I know what the directions say. Cheers. having strawberry milk for dinner. I'm gonna finish editing this video. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna get right behind today. It's been a long day. And tomorrow's gonna be a great day. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, stick around. I'm gonna try to do it for 100 days. But I'm not making any promises. This is so good. What time is it? Oh, my watch died. Alright, well, with that being said, I'm gonna go do what I gotta do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave some love. See you on the next video. Good night.